Hello, everyone, and welcome to workshop 2 of the Tele workshop series. As you know, my name's Brona, and both Shadi and I were absolutely delighted to meet you all last week for the first of these workshops on technology enhanced language learning and integration. Just to give you a bit of a taster as to what we're going to cover now in workshop 2. So in this session, we'll focus on using audiovisual digital resources, and our discussions and activities will be around issues such as how digital images, videos, and audio resources can be used to support language learning. And thinking about these multimedia resources, how does this relate back to what we talked about last week regarding Universal Design for Learning, or UDL? And also we'll start to think about ideas for your own development of resources for your Fáilte Isteach classes. So the objectives for workshop 2 are that by the end of this workshop, you will be able to identify useful ways of using audiovisual resources in your face-to-face or online classes, and also to support learners at different levels of English language proficiency in their use of audiovisual resources for language learning. And regarding our activities and resources this week, well, we will provide tips on using audiovisual digital tools to support English language learning. And we'll also guide you towards some useful websites and apps in this regard. And as I mentioned, you're going to start thinking about how you might use audiovisual tools to develop a learning resource that you can use in your own Fáilte Isteach classes. And as with every week, there will be reflective activities with individual feedback. So thank you very much, and we're really looking forward to meeting you again in workshop 2.